Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today let's draw the body of the bird that we drew on Monday. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So if you have any questions or comments, or if you want to let me know what you want to see next, let me know by commenting below, and also connect with me through my other social media like my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram accounts. All that information is in the description box below for you. And also check out the way that I'm drawing the body. I'm drawing line at a time, and I'm also adding in different colors. So I'm now drawing the tummy area with a light brown color pencil. Just adding line at a time, like at a triangular motion, like I'm adding a little bit of a triangle kind of shape, and then I'll add the rest of the body. It's going to be mainly blue shades, browns, things like that. So I'll show you how I did that as well. So keep watching, and if you have any questions, if you want me to emphasize on something and show you more, let me know in the comments below so I can do it for you for next time. So then let's get to it. So you can see how I'm adding in the rest of the feathers, like lines after lines and longer lines for the back feathers because they are longer, and the back feathers of this particular bird is about mainly like dark blue and black, so I want to keep it that way. And then the belly area is white mixed with blue and some pink, so that's what I'm going for. And I'm just going to keep adding lines at a time with different colored shade it a little. Okay, so now you can see how it looks, and this is the full color drawing. I really hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below to buy products. I hope you love this drawing, and I hope you love the products as well. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And I did draw a lot of other birds before, so I will put those in here, as you can see in the next videos for you to check out next. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And you can always request anything for me to draw as well by commenting below or sending me a message. Connect with me through Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, and let me know what you think and what you want to see next. So then, have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.